What are ways to protect your personal information and privacy during or before divorce?
One thing that you want to do is check the privacy settings on your social media. Another thing that I often advise people to do is make sure you change your passwords on everything. So that means email, that means text messages, that means your iCloud account, that means your social media accounts, everything. Just go in, change all the passwords immediately. If you are living with your spouse while the divorce is going on, I would advise keep a separate computer, change the password on the computer. So that means your laptops, your iPads, whatever other devices that you use. If you got, which is pretty rare, but if you have separate desktops at home, then use your own desktop, change the password on that. The other thing that I recommend people to do, which they don't really realize a lot, is, nowadays everyone gets into their phone or their iPad or whatever by the face recognition or something similar. Take that off if you're living with your spouse. Perhaps the obvious reason for that is if they want to get into your device to see what you're up to, then they can just wait until you're asleep, hold the phone or the iPad up to your face and get into your device and have carte blanche on anything that you just texted. And you'd be amazed at how often people find that their spouse is texting their new boo, on their device, and oops, they find out about that the next day because they get confronted by their spouse. And they say, oh, I saw your text messages. Oh, how'd you see that? Well, you left your device open. Oops. So that is something definitely to be mindful of. In very hotly contested cases as well as high income cases, it may be advisable to hire an IT expert to come in, look at all your posts, your pictures, your videos, etc., that are theoretically searchable on the internet, wipe the negative posts and videos, etc., audios, but then also have the IT expert work with you on upping the privacy settings on all your devices and sites that you visit. So that would be recommended.